Today I'm gonna show your guide. How's the VX-DOS TPA02 program the tire pressure sensor. Now we connect the vehicle, enter the tire pressure function, and select the car make, model. We can see the first step is the TPMS sensor activation. The TPMS sensor ID, tire pressure, frequency, and temperature will be read out after the activation processing finish. If there is a faulty sensor that needs to be replaced, you can also see it here as well. If you need to change the faulty sensor, enter programming page. There is a copy sensor it automatic or manual writing function. There is also an OBD read TPMS sensor it option depending on the model. The sensor must be programmable. Here I use VX-DOS TP01 reprogrammable unlimited time sensor. Write the sensor ID we read before and a new sensor will be created. Now, install the program sensor on the tire, complete the new sensor learning steps according to the prompts through the tire pressure learn page. Then you'll finish the work. Okay, the above is the entire content of the video. If you have relevant questions and suggestions, please leave us a message in the comment area. Follow us to learn about the best tire pressure sensor relearn tool.